Welcome back to our channel, where we're diving deep into the world of hair care and bringing you a comprehensive tutorial on how to treat damaged hair. Whether you're dealing with split ends, dryness, or the aftermath of too many styling sessions, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll walk. First, understanding hair damage. A. Types of damage. Before we jump into the treatments, it's crucial to identify the specific types of damage your hair might be experiencing. From dryness and split ends to chemical damage, understanding your hair's needs is the first step towards effective repair. B. Assessing your hair. Default techs take a moment to assess your hair's condition. Does it feel brittle, look dull, or lack its usual shine? Identifying your hair's unique needs will guide you in selecting the most suitable treatments. A. Deep conditioning magic. We're kicking things off with a deep conditioning treatment to infuse your hair with the moisture it craves. Join us in trying out a rich, nourishing hair mask that combines the power of natural ingredients like argan oil and shea butter. Watch closely for the application technique and leave in Dora. B. Protein power. Protein treatments are the superheroes your hair needs for strength and resilience. We'll be exploring a protein treatment routine that helps rebuild damaged hair fibers, leaving you with a healthier and more robust mane. C. Design-it-yourself hair masks. Get hands-on with us as we guide you through the process of creating design-it-yourself hair masks using ingredients from your kitchen. Learn how to concoct a heavenly avocado and banana mask or an egg and olive oil blend to give your hair the design-it-yourself pampering it deserves. D. Scalp tender loving care. Your hair's health starts at the roots. Discover the secrets of a relaxing scalp treatment using essential oils that not only promote a healthier scalp but also stimulate hair growth. A. Nutritional support. Unlock the potential of vibrant, healthy hair by fueling your body with the right nutrients. We're exploring a hair-boosting diet that incorporates protein-rich foods, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals. Find out which foods can make a significant difference in your hair's over. B. Hydration habits. Discover the connection between hydration and hair health. Learn about the importance of water intake and how staying well hydrated can contribute to shiny, moisturized locks. C. Supplemental boost. Explore the world of supplements and understand how biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3 supplements can enhance your hair care routine. Before you rush to the store, get insights on consulting with a healthcare professional to ensure the right choices for you. Heat styling tips. Let's talk about heat styling and how to minimize damage. We'll walk you through smart heat styling practices, including the proper use of heat protectants, choosing the right heat settings, and alternative styling options that won't compromise your hair's health. Trimming techniques. Embark on a journey to healthier ends by understanding the art of trimming. Follow along as we demonstrate how regular trims can prevent split ends and contribute to overall hair health. Professional interventions. Take a trip to the salon with us as we explore professional treatments like keratin treatments and hair Botox. Get insights on when these treatments are most beneficial and what to expect during your salon experience. Trichologist consultation. For those dealing with persistent or severe hair issues, a trichologist might be your hair's best friend. Discover the significance of a trichologist consultation and how personalized advice can make a substantial difference in your hair care journey. Consistency and future care. Building an effective hair care routine transcends the mundane act of shampooing and conditioning. It's a personalized journey that caters to the unique needs of your locks. Let's delve deeper into the intricacies of establishing a tailored hair care routine, one that not only addresses your specific patience in results. Finally, we'll touch on the importance of patience in your hair care journey. Hair repair is a gradual process, and understanding this will keep you motivated and committed to achieving long-term results. Thank you for tuning into this in-depth tutorial on hair care and repair. We hope these tips and techniques empower you to embrace a healthier, more vibrant mane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to revitalize their locks. Until next time, happy hair care!